Opening a children's account with Santander is an excellent way to teach kids about money management and help them develop good savings habits from a young age. To get the most out of a Santander children's account, it is essential to follow best practices. First, consider the type of account that best suits your child's needs. Santander offers a range of accounts for children, including the 1, 2, 3 mini current account and the kids' regular e-saver. Each account has its own set of features and benefits, so it is crucial to choose the one that aligns with your child's goals and financial situation. Once the account is open, encourage your child to take an active role in managing their money. This can be done by setting savings goals and working together to achieve them. You can also teach your child how to budget and prioritize their spending, helping them understand the importance of saving and responsible spending. Another best practice is to take advantage of the account's features, such as mobile banking and online statements. These tools allow your child to easily monitor their account activity, track their spending, and stay on top of their finances. It is also essential to teach your child about the importance of security and fraud prevention. This includes keeping their account details and passwords safe, being cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi, and monitoring their account regularly for any suspicious activity. By following these best practices, you can help your child get the most out of their Santander children's account and set them up for a lifetime of good financial habits. Remember to regularly review and discuss your child's account activity with them, providing guidance and support as needed. Santander also offers a range of resources and tools to help children learn about money management, including online guides and educational materials. Take advantage of these resources to help your child develop a strong understanding of personal finance and make informed decisions about their money. Overall, a Santander children's account can be a valuable tool for teaching kids about money management and helping them develop good savings habits. By following best practices and taking advantage of the account's features and resources, you can help your child achieve their financial goals and set them up for long-term financial success.